A good night's sleep does wonders for your skin, mind, and overall health. But did you know you can enhance your skincare while you sleep? In this video, we'll walk you through a scientifically backed nighttime routine designed to rejuvenate your skin, improve muscle recovery, and boost your testosterone. This 10-step process will have you waking up feeling and looking great, and the best part, you'll be setting yourself up for a deeper, more restful sleep. From protecting your eyes from blue light to incorporating a nourishing skincare routine, each step prepares your body for optimal repair while you rest. Stick around till the end for a bonus trick that'll help you increase your testosterone overnight. It's a game changer. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to a flawless skin and a rejuvenated body, all while you sleep. Understanding your chronotype. To optimize your nighttime skincare routine and overall well-being, it's essential to first understand your chronotype. Your chronotype is your body's natural inclination for sleep and wakefulness, which plays a significant role in how you function throughout the day. It determines the times when you naturally feel most alert or tired and impacts your productivity, mood, and even your skin's ability to repair itself overnight. There are 4 primary chronotypes, each represented by animals to help you understand your natural rhythm. The lion chronotype is for early risers who feel most energetic in the morning but may struggle with maintaining that energy throughout the day. Lions tend to do well with early mornings and a structured routine. The bear chronotype, which is the most common, covers about 55% of the population. Bears typically follow the sun's natural patterns, feeling awake and alert during daylight hours and ready to sleep when it gets dark, making them ideal candidates for traditional 9 to 5 work schedules. The wolf chronotype is reserved for night owls, people who feel most alive in the late evening or at night. This group is only about 15% of the population, and they tend to have difficulty functioning early in the morning. Finally, there's the dolphin chronotype. Dolphins are the insomniacs, able to stay alert even while they sleep, often struggling with consistent sleep patterns and needing special attention to manage their sleep. Understanding which chronotype you fall under is crucial for creating a personalized routine. It helps you determine the best time to start winding down and when to sleep, ensuring your body gets the rest it needs. By working with your chronotype rather than against it, you can improve not only your sleep quality, but also your skincare results. If you're a lion, for example, you'll want to align your skincare routine and sleep schedule to an earlier time, while wolves might focus on winding down a bit later in the evening. Knowing your chronotype also assists in fine-tuning your skincare regime. For lions and bears, starting your routine around 8 p.m. may be ideal, while for wolves, 9 or 10 p.m. might be more suitable. Your chronotype sets the foundation for how you should approach the rest of your routine, ensuring that your skin gets the most out of its recovery and repair phase during sleep. Protect your eyes from blue light. In today's digital age, we are constantly surrounded by screens, whether it's our phone, laptop, or TV. While these devices help us stay connected and productive, they also emit blue light, which can disrupt your body's natural sleep cycle. Blue light is part of the visible light spectrum, and it plays a significant role in making us feel awake and alert. However, this is the last thing you want as you prepare for a restful night of sleep. The exposure to blue light in the evening suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Without enough melatonin, your body struggles to wind down, making it harder to fall asleep and achieve deep, restorative sleep. This is where protecting your eyes from blue light becomes essential. The first step to protecting your eyes is to reduce the amount of blue light exposure in the 2 hours leading up to bedtime. You don't have to banish screens entirely, but you should take precautions. One effective way is to wear blue light blocking glasses, which filter out the harmful blue light emitted from your devices. Studies have shown that wearing these glasses for just 2 hours before bed can improve your sleep quality. Participants in a study who wore blue light blocking glasses had better sleep quality, improved sleep times, and shorter wait times to fall asleep compared to those who wore placebo glasses. Another option is to enable night mode or blue light filters on your devices. These settings adjust the screen to warmer tones, reducing blue light exposure in the evening. You can also consider installing blue light blocking screen protectors on your phone or computer. By taking these simple steps, you are not only protecting your eyes, but also setting the stage for a more restful sleep, which is crucial for both skin rejuvenation and overall health. So, as you prepare for your nighttime routine, make sure to incorporate blue light protection into your strategy. It's a small step that makes a significant impact on your sleep quality and helps you wake up feeling refreshed, with your skin and mind ready to take on the next day. Warm shower for better sleep. A warm shower before bed is not just about cleanliness. It's a crucial part of preparing your body for a restful night's sleep. When you step into a shower, your body temperature rises, and this triggers a process that aids in falling asleep faster and achieving deeper sleep. The key is timing and temperature. The ideal temperature for a pre-bedtime shower is around 108 degrees Fahrenheit, 42 degrees Celsius. This temperature range has been shown to mimic the body's natural temperature drop that occurs when melatonin is released. After leaving the warm water, your body experiences a rapid cooling effect, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. This process makes you feel more relaxed, calm, and ready for bed. It's important to time the shower about an hour before bedtime to maximize these benefits. Not only will the warm shower help reduce stress and tension, but it also aids in the release of melatonin, which helps you feel sleepy and prepares your body for the repair process that will occur during sleep. A warm shower combined with your skincare routine creates the perfect environment for your skin to repair and regenerate overnight, leaving you with refreshed, glowing skin when you wake up. Skincare routine for nighttime. As you settle into your night routine, skincare should be your next focus. Unlike your morning routine, when you're often rushed, nighttime is your chance to invest extra time in rejuvenating your skin. The first step in your evening routine is washing your face thoroughly to remove dirt, oil, sweat, and any leftover sunscreen. A gentle, hydrating cleanser works best at night to avoid stripping your skin of its natural oils, which are important for maintaining moisture as you sleep. After cleansing, it's time for exfoliation. One great option is using a microdermabrasion device, which gently sloughs off dead skin cells, improving texture and promoting cell regeneration. By removing this outer layer, your skin is better prepared to absorb the hydrating and nourishing products that follow, allowing them to penetrate deeply overnight for maximum repair. This routine helps you wake up with smoother, healthier skin. Microdermabrasion for skin repair. Exfoliation is an essential part of any effective nighttime skincare routine, and microdermabrasion is one of the best ways to achieve this. This process involves using a gentle device that helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve the texture of your skin. The best time to incorporate this is at night, as it allows your skin to repair itself while you sleep. Microdermabrasion not only removes the outer layer of dead skin, but also stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, which are essential for firm, youthful-looking skin. It can reduce the appearance of fine lines, scars, and uneven texture, making your skin appear smoother and more radiant. Research shows that just one microdermabrasion treatment a week can visibly improve skin firmness and overall texture. After using the microdermabrasion tool, your skin is primed for better absorption of moisturizers and serums, enhancing the benefits of your routine. This step, done weekly, can transform your skin over time, giving you that smooth, fresh look when you wake up. By incorporating these steps into your nightly routine, you're giving your skin the best chance to repair and regenerate while you sleep. From understanding your chronotype to using microdermabrasion, each step plays a vital role in waking up refreshed and glowing. Stick with it and let your skin thank you.